Hello students, today I am going to explain you some simple and easy numericals of chapter Force and Laws of Motion. So first numerical is how much net force is required to accelerate a 1000 kg car at 4 meter per second square. Net force means total force, ki how much total force is required to accelerate. So as per the question, whatever the values are given, first we have to write all those values. So given is A is equals to 4, acceleration is equals to 4 meter per second square, mass is 1000 kg. Now as per the requirement we will put the formula of force, that is force is equals to mass into acceleration. Now substitute all the values in this, that is 1000 multiplied by 4, and after this we will get the answer 4000 Newton. So this is the total force which is required to accelerate 1000 kg car at 4 meter per second square. Now the next question is, if a net force of 7 Newton was constantly applied on 400 gram object at rest. Remember, the object is at rest, so initial velocity will be taken as 0. So how long will it take to raise its velocity to 80 meter per second? So how long will it take means how much time will it take to raise its velocity to 80 meter per second? Now first we write down all the values which are given in the question, that is force is equals to 7 Newton, mass is 400 gram. Now we will change this gram into kg because the SI unit of mass is kg. So 400 gram divided by 1000 we will get 0.4 kg. Initial velocity is 0 because body is at rest, and final is 80 meter per second, and we have to find out the time. Then as per the question, the formula will be V is equals to U plus AT, that is first equation of motion we have to use here. So as we see in these values, V is given, U is given, T you have to find out, but value for A is not given. So first we have to find out the value for A. Then the formula will be A is equals to F by M. Substitute the value for F, that is 7, M 0.4, and after division we will get 17.5 meter per second square. Now we get the value for acceleration. Now substitute all the values in this first equation of motion. Then after substituting we will get T, we have to find out, तो formula को हमने rearrange करा, तो that is T is equals to V minus U upon A. Now substitute the value in this, तो V की value जो given है that is 80 minus 0. This will be the value for initial velocity divided by acceleration. Just we find out, that is 17.5. Then after solving this we will get 4.57 seconds. Now the next question is, what is the momentum of a body of mass 5 kg moving with a velocity of 0.20 meter per second? What is the momentum? Means momentum क्या होगा body का with the body mass of 5 kg, and that 5 kg body is moving with a velocity of 0.20 meter per second. First we will write all the values which are given in the question, that is mass is equals to 5 kg, velocity of 0.20 meter per second, and momentum is ours. Always remember, momentum is represented by P. So P you have to find out. Then as per the formula, P is equals to mv. P is the momentum, m is the mass, and v is the velocity. Now substitute the values. You will get 5 multiplied 0.20, and after solving this we get the result, that is 1 kg meter per second. So this is the momentum of a body. So next question is, a body of mass 25 kg has momentum of 125 kg meter per second. Calculate the velocity of the body. So here mass is given, that is 25 kg. Has momentum. Momentum is given, mass is given, and you have to find out the velocity here. So write down the values first. M is equals to 25 kg, P is equals to 125 kg meter per second, and V you have to find out. So as per the formula, P is equals to mv. Now you have to find out the V. The formula को हमने arrange करा, that is V is equals to P by M. Now substitute the values, 125 divided by 25, and the answer will be 5 meter per second. Now see the next one. Find the change in momentum. Remember, you have to find out the change in momentum of a car weighing 1500 kg when its speed increases from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour. So you have to find out the change in momentum. So write down the values first. V1, that is the initial velocity, is given here 36 kilometer per hour to 10 meter per second. Listen, this kilometer per hour get changed into the meter per second because the SI unit of velocity or speed is the meter per second. तो उसमें change करा हमने kilometer per hour को. So V1 will be 10 meter per second. Now we will substitute the value meter per second instead of kilometer per hour in the formula. Now V2 is 72 kilometer per hour, that is 20 meter per second. So mass is given 1500 kg. Now as per the question, you have to find out the change in momentum. So this sign represents the change and P represents the momentum. The change in momentum, as I told in my earlier classes, हमेशा final minus initial होता है. तो final velocity, final momentum minus initial momentum. Now mass is same, तो mass को हमने एक common ले लिया है and V2 minus V1. Now we will substitute the value in this formula and we will get 1500 multiply 20 minus 10, and after solving this we will get 15,000 kg meter per second. So this value will indicate the change in momentum of a car. Now the next question is, a bullet of mass 10 gram is horizontally fired with a velocity of 100 meter per second from pistol of mass 1 kg. So what is the recoil velocity of the pistol? So in this you have to find out the recoil velocity. So the values are those values are given like mass is 10 gram. So again it is given in gram. So we have to change this gram into kg. Means 10 is divided by 1000. Mass is 1 kg. V is 100 meter per second and V you have to find out. Now see, here small m represents the mass of bullet. यहाँ पे small m mass of bullet बता रहा है. Capital M represents the mass of pistol. V, small v represents the mass for the bullet, and capital V represents the recoil velocity. The capital V we have to find out. Now substitute the value in this formula, that is capital V is equals to minus mv divided by capital M. Here minus will represents the recoil velocity. After substituting the values, minus m represents 10 by 1000, यहाँ हमने रखा, multiply by v that is 100 or divided by m that is 1. Then we will get the value of minus 1 meter per second. So this minus 1 represents the opposite direction, that is the recoil velocity of the pistol. Now the next question, two hockey players A of mass 50 kg is moving with a velocity of 4 meter per second, and the another one B belonging to opposite team with mass 60 kg से belong करता है is moving with a velocity of 3 meter per second, entangled while chasing and fell down. तो find out the velocity with which they fall down. तो you have to find out the velocity जिससे कि वो गिर गए थे. Then the values which are given according the question, M1 that is 50 kg. Now remember here M1 represents for player A, M2 for player B. Okay, U1 velocity, initial velocity for player 1, and U2 that is initial velocity for player 2. So initial momentum, first we have to find out the initial momentum. So the formula is M1 U1 plus M2 U2. Now put all the values. After substituting that and solving that, we will get 380 kg meter per second. Now next we have to find out this is the initial moment. Now we are going to find out the final momentum. The final momentum that is M1 plus M2 into V. ये इसलिए करा गया क्योंकि दोनों एक दूसरे से एंटेंगल हो गए थे, तो दोनों का मास प्लस हो जाएगा, दैट इज m1 प्लस m2. तो दोनों एक ही सेम वेलोसिटी के साथ गिरेंगे. तो m1 दैट इज 50, m2 दैट वाज 60, दोनों को प्लस करा, मल्टीप्लाई बाय v यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज 100 v आ गया. Now as per the conservation of momentum, initial momentum is always equivalent to the final momentum. Now substitute the value for initial and final, that is 380 is equals to 110 multiplied by V. You have to find out the V, that is 380 divided by 110 meter per second, and the answer will be 3.45 meter per second. Now the next question is, the force of 2 Newton acting on the body changes its velocity uniformly 2 meter per second to 5 meter per second in 10 seconds. Means force of 2 Newton is acting on the body. and the velocity is changing from 2 meter per second to 5 meter per second, and in how much time? 10 second. Then calculate the mass of the body. So as per the question, F is equals to 2 Newton, force is given, initial velocity 2 meter per second, final 5 meter per second, time is 10 second is given. Then you have to find out the mass here. Then as per the question, that formula is A is equals to V minus U upon T. Listen, here you have to find out the mass of the body, और mass का formula हो जाएगा mass is equals to F by A. You are having the value for F, but you are not having the value for acceleration. तो पहले हमने किसकी value find out करी? Acceleration की. From this formula, that is A is equals to V minus U upon T. Now substitute the values. Value for V is 5 minus 2 divided by 10. Then we will get 3 by 10 and the answer will be 0.3 meter per second. This will be the acceleration. Now we will put the value for acceleration force in this formula. Then we will get the value, and after substituting that we will get 2 divided by 0.3 is equals to 20 by 3, and after solution we will get 6.67 kg. Now moving to the next, that a hammer of mass 500 gram moving at 50 meter per second strikes a nail. The nail stops the hammer in a very short time of 0.01 second में रोक देती है, तो stop हो रही है, ध्यान रहे. Then the final velocity will be 0. So how much force is applied by the nail on the hammer? So you have to find out the force. Write down the values which are given in the question. The mass is equals to 500 gram is given, तो उसको हमने kg में change करा, divided by 1000 we will get 0.5 kg. Initial velocity is 50 meter per second, time is 0.01 second, final velocity is 0 because the nail stops the hammer. The final velocity will be 0 and you have to find out the force. Then according to the formula, A is equals to V minus U upon T. Again हमें force find out करना है, and the formula of force is F is equals to ma. तो value for mass is given in the question but value for A is not given. तो हमने सबसे पहले value for A find out करी, ठीक है. तो वो करी हमने V minus U upon T से. We put all the values and after solution we will get minus 5000 meter per second square. Now we have both the values for m as well as acceleration. Now we'll put the substitute the value in this formula, that is m is equals to 0.5, mass is given that is the 0.5 kg के अंदर, multiply acceleration अभी find out करा minus 5000 meter per second square. After solution we will get minus 2500 Newton force is applied by the nail on the hammer. So student, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video, and for complete chapter you can see the link in the description box. Thank you very much.